Right, today we're going to have a ride out to Blithfield Reservoir, or better known as the dam. Now, I went a few days ago. I had a few problems up with me doing a full recording of my petrol tank, and the roads all being closed and getting diverted, so it really didn't work out. Anyway, gonna give it another try and see what the situation's like. Again, I'm trying a different mic. I have used this one before. It's only a cheap lavalier mic, but it actually came out better than the previous video, which is, well, that was using an expensive mic. I'm still waiting for delivery of this gooseneck one that I bought. Again, it was only cheap, so we'll have to see. Just have to try it, won't I? Like I said previously, if all else fails, after they splash out a bit more on the Movo lavalier, which is getting good reviews, but we'll see. It's another glorious day today. One or two more clouds in the sky, but yeah, I think they'll clear for later on. So best get out while I can, because you just know it's all going to get wet and windy before long. Weeks of blooming rain, so you have to get out, don't you, and make the most of it while you can. I think most of the problems with the microphone issues I'm having is this helmet. I mean, it's pretty old, and it's certainly not windproof. You know, there's lots of gaps in it, so it's a bit on the drafty side. Obviously that doesn't help. Just a steady ride today. A nice little bimble, as we say. Hopefully calling the cafe for a brew after we've been the dam. And like I said before, we'll see how it goes, because things don't always seem to go to plan, especially just lately. Right, we're coming up to the turn off. Last time I came it was closed. Can't see the sign, so hopefully it's open. Going to be busy at the dam, mind you. It is a Sunday and it's relatively early. I'm thinking of getting some of that clear vinyl wrap for the side of the tanks where your knees sit against it, just before it causes any damage, you know. Might get a small sheet of it tried out. Shouldn't be very visible. Busy lane today for some reason. Other times you can come down here and not meet anything. Yeah, I know the speedo's probably flickering. I'm sure you realise it's not normally like that. It's just a frame rate issue with the camera. I could change the settings, but I can't be bothered. Right, I think we're dropping down here to the dam. Saw a load of bikes in front. And whether they're going there, maybe they're going to the cafe on the way back where I'm going to. Oh no, it's the scooter boys. Scooter boys are out in force. There's the dam, look. Call it the dam because the road goes over the middle of it. Blithfield Reservoir. It's quite an expanse of water. But yeah, we'll pull in at the end here. Oh, the scooter boys are pulling in. Oh no, the scooter boys are carrying on. A few bikes pulled in there. Room for a little one on the end. As you see, it's quite an expanse of water, and we call it the dam simply because the road goes over the middle. Yeah. Popular place then. Have a good view from up here. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, you see, it goes on for quite a way. Like I say, it's quite an expanse. Right, we're all done and dusted here. It's clouded over a little bit, so the sun's not so burning, but it's still blooming hot. Right, we'll head on to the cafe, I think. It's going to be busy. I know it is. Oh, it's alright, we don't mind it being busy. just ordered a bag, a tail bag, to sit on the back seat. It's only a cheap one. Got nowhere to put anything. I've got a little shoulder bag, but I forget it most of the time. So I've got this little tail bag to see if it does the job. I'm used to having a top box, you see. When I had the BMW, it had a top box on it, so I could carry everything in there. Didn't realise just how handy it was. I know what I have found with this GoPro. I have no idea when it's recording. I mean, there is a beep. It beeps, doesn't it? A couple of beeps or whatever when it starts recording. I can't always hear it. Many a time I've been chatting away and found out it doesn't record it. One time, I don't know what happened, but I'd obviously took a burst of photos on it somehow, pressing buttons. Must have had about 50 photos. And it's a Hero 6 Black, this one is. There's no front screen as such. I mean, you got that, but I can't see that with my eyes either. I think I did turn the red light off, the red LED off at the front, so I'll have to turn that back on again. Yeah, it's busy. Yeah, I think it's I think it's cold drink time. Blinking heck. Well, we're all fed and watered. Well, we haven't fed, we've been watered. Leave these gentlemen to carry on with what they're doing. that we can see it from here. There's a castle on the hill there to the right. Don't think I can. There, can you see it now? Yeah, Chartley Castle. As I wander across the road. More traffic lights as usual. Well, we haven't had that engine cut out since I've been using this E5 petrol. I think it was that was causing it to cut out when you come into a stop. Not had that issue at all. Well, up to yet anyway. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.